In today's video, we're diving into the heart-pounding world of aviation, where things can change in the blink of an eye. Imagine being on a flight, everything seems normal, and then, suddenly, something goes wrong. What happens next could be the difference between life and death. In this video, we'll be counting down the 10 greatest emergency landings in aviation history, from skilled pilots saving the day to miraculous landings in impossible situations. We'll break down these incredible stories that showcase human resilience, courage, and the wonders of modern aviation. Let's get started. Welcome back to Cherry on Top. 1. United Airlines Flight 232, 1989. In July 1989, United Airlines Flight 232 experienced an engine failure that led to the loss of hydraulic systems, leaving the pilots with minimal control of the aircraft. Bound for Chicago from Denver, the DC-10 had 296 passengers on board. The heroic crew managed to maneuver the plane using only the throttles of the remaining engines. Despite the dire situation, the crew aimed for Sioux Gateway Airport, Iowa. As the aircraft touched down, the right wing dipped and broke off, causing the plane to cartwheel down the runway. Out of the 296 passengers, 184 survived thanks to the remarkable efforts of the flight crew and rescue workers. This emergency landing became a study case for aviation safety and pilot training, showcasing the incredible skill and teamwork that saved lives. 2. Miracle on the Hudson, US Airways Flight 1549, 2009. Perhaps the most well-known emergency landing in recent history, US Airways Flight 1549, became globally famous as the Miracle on the Hudson. On January 15, 2009, just minutes after taking off from LaGuardia Airport, the Airbus A320 struck a flock of geese, resulting in a complete engine failure. Captain Chesley "Sully" Sullenberger, realizing there wasn't enough time to return to the airport, made the brave decision to land the plane in the Hudson River. Miraculously, all 155 passengers and crew members survived. The quick thinking, decisive action, and incredible piloting skill of Captain Sully earned him worldwide recognition, and the incident was immortalized in the 2016 movie Sully. 3. British Airways Flight 9 The Jakarta Incident, 1982. In 1982, British Airways Flight 9 flew through volcanic ash over Indonesia, causing all 4 of its engines to fail. The Boeing 747, cruising at 37,000 feet, became a massive glider over the Indian Ocean. The crew, led by Captain Eric Moody, made a distress call and began descending. With skill and calmness, they were able to restart 3 of the engines and make an emergency landing in Jakarta. The ash cloud, from the erupting Mount Galunggung, had sandblasted the plane's windows and engines, but all 263 passengers survived. The incident highlighted the dangers of volcanic ash to aviation and led to improved monitoring and response procedures. 4. Air Canada Flight 143 The Gimli Glider, 1983. Air Canada Flight 143 is a story of how a simple miscalculation could have turned tragic. In July 1983, the Boeing 767 ran out of fuel midway through its flight from Montreal to Edmonton due to a metric conversion error. With both engines failing, Captain Robert Pearson, who was an experienced glider pilot, had to glide the aircraft to safety. With no engine power, the flight crew made a risky decision to land on an old airstrip in Gimli, Manitoba, which had been converted into a racetrack. The crew skillfully landed the plane without engine thrust or electrical systems, saving the lives of all 69 people on board. This incident became legendary in aviation history as the Gimli Glider. 5. Japan Airlines Flight 123, 1985. On August 12, 1985, Japan Airlines Flight 123 suffered a catastrophic failure due to a rear bulkhead explosion, causing the plane to lose hydraulic control. The Boeing 747, flying from Tokyo to Osaka, was left partially out of control, but the crew struggled to stabilize it. For 32 minutes, the pilots attempted to steer the plane, but unfortunately, it crashed into a mountain, resulting in the loss of 520 lives. Miraculously, 4 survivors were found among the wreckage. This incident remains the deadliest single aircraft disaster in history and prompted significant improvements in aviation safety and maintenance procedures. 6. Dhaka Flight 110, 1988. Dhaka Flight 110 is another remarkable story of piloting skill. On May 24, 1988, this Boeing 737 encountered severe hail and rain after taking off from Belize City, leading to a dual-engine failure. With no airport within reach and both engines down, Captain Carlos Dardano decided to glide the plane toward a grassy levee near New Orleans. The skillful landing on a narrow strip avoided any casualties. Later, the plane's engines were repaired on site, and it was flown out of the levee. Captain Dardano's calm demeanor and quick thinking saved the lives of everyone on board. 7. Qantas Flight 32, 2010. Qantas Flight 32 is one of the most intense stories of an emergency landing involving an Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger jet. On November 4, 2010, the aircraft suffered a massive engine explosion shortly after takeoff from Singapore. The debris from the engine punctured fuel tanks and damaged critical systems, but Captain Richard de Crespigny and his crew managed to assess the situation and maintain control. They safely landed the aircraft back at Singapore Changi Airport. All 469 passengers and crew survived, and the incident led to improved safety measures for the Airbus A380. 8. Transasia Airways Flight 235, 2015. On February 4, 2015, Transasia Airways Flight 235 crashed shortly after taking off from Taipei, Taiwan, due to engine failure. The ATR 72-600 aircraft banked sharply to the left and clipped a bridge before crashing into a river. In a desperate attempt, the pilots tried to restart the engine, but their efforts were in vain. Out of the 58 people on board, 15 survived. The crash was caught on video by dash cams and widely circulated, serving as a tragic reminder of the importance of proper engine management in emergencies. 9. Southern Airways Flight 242, 1977. Southern Airways Flight 242 faced a severe thunderstorm while en route from Huntsville, Alabama, to Atlanta, Georgia. On April 4, 1977, hail and heavy rain caused both engines to fail, and the crew was forced to make an emergency landing on a highway. Unfortunately, the aircraft collided with vehicles on the road and burst into flames. Of the 85 passengers and crew, 62 perished in the crash, along with 8 people on the ground. Despite the tragic outcome, the incident prompted significant improvements in aviation training for handling severe weather. 10. Lufthansa Flight 181, 1977. In October 1977, Lufthansa Flight 181 was hijacked by 4 terrorists demanding the release of Red Army faction prisoners. The Boeing 737 was forced to land in multiple locations before finally landing in Mogadishu, Somalia. After days of negotiations, the plane was stormed by German special forces, who rescued all 86 passengers and crew. While not a traditional emergency landing, the quick thinking and bravery of the flight crew and military personnel turned this hijacking into a successful rescue operation, saving the lives of everyone on board. Emergency landings are some of the most intense and terrifying moments in aviation. Each of the stories we've covered today highlights the bravery, skill, and quick decision-making of pilots and crew members who turn potential disasters into miracles. From the calm composure of Captain Sully landing on the Hudson River to the daring glider landing in Gimli, these events are a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more incredible stories from Cherry on Top.